Hi, I'm Jennie. Today's menu is pork belly. Actually, we call 뚝배기 불고기. So 뚝배기 is a kind of pot, so made of clay, but it doesn't work in this heat. So today I will just cook in the pan. Okay, and this is pork belly. We call 삼겹살, but it's a very thin 삼겹살. So Korean say this one we call 대패 삼겹살. Okay, so this is a very thin pork belly, and this is a garlic and some ginger and chili, and this is carrot, onion, and sugar, and green onions, and some seasonings. So now I will start. Usually, 뚝배기 불고기, we use just a beef. But today, I will use this thin pork belly. And first, you turn on the heat. In here, you pour some cooking oil. Okay, little bit. And here, when the pan is hot enough, I will put this pork belly first. Yes, the pan is hot enough, and put this pork belly. Do you know why we call this is 대패 삼겹살? Because it's the shape is very similar. The wood cut with a plane. So the 대패 is the tool that make the wood slice. So this is 대패 삼겹살. First you stir fry. And here you put a little bit of salt. Little bit of salt and some pepper. Also a little bit. And here, some cooking wine. And if you have maybe white wine or red wine, it's okay, or cooking wine. And here, a little bit of sugar. The seasonings amount depends on you. If you like sweet one and you put some more sugar, but my case I don't like too sugar foods. So too sweet one I don't like it. So I just put a little bit of sugar. And now I will cut some chili. So red chili. And onions. You slice some onion. And here's some carrot. And some green onions. Okay, I'll put some onions and some carrots, a little bit, and fry together. When the pork belly is cooked enough, like this, cook well, and this time you put some garlic. You cut garlic, or if you don't have this one, so just minced garlic is okay. Now here I will put this soy sauce. Soy sauce is about 1/3 cup. And here, and also cooking wine, some more. And 2 tablespoon. And you mix it. And you pour here. Okay. Here, I will put a half cup of water. Okay, here, this time, you know that this is the ginger, a slice of ginger. You put this amount of ginger because of the bad smell of pork. So, I think better to put one more ginger. And now, this is green onions. And you stir it, mix it, and you cover the lid and about 1 minute, and then lower the heat a little bit. And I think it's a 뚝배기 bulgogi. It needs some juice of the meat. So I think that this one is a little bit short of water. So I will pour some more water. Okay, you see? And this time I put the sesame oil. 1 spoon of sesame oil. Okay, it's nearly finished. And here, I will put this chili, red and green chili. Okay, here, the sesame seeds. Okay, now is ready to eat. So you can eat, if you have a sesame leaf or lettuce, or you put this bulgogi and some garlic and rice and make some, and you can enjoy the rice with this 뚝배기 bulgogi. Okay, that is ready to serve. So if you have the pot, in your house, any pot, and then you serve pour this one, and then you can serve. And maybe this one is good to eat with rice and dinner time. And then, okay. Anyway, this one is a 뚝배기 bulgogi. It's finished. Okay, next time I will ready another new K-food. Okay, take care. See you. Bye.